morning. I thought this was going to be a really nice chilled morning, but for some reason Capri decided to wake up early today. I think because people were cutting the grass outside, it was quite loud, so probably woke her up. But we've got swimming lessons this morning, don't we? I was a bit back and forth about whether or not to go because she's got a little bit of a cold. Yeah, I'll study to fix the card. She's got a camera out. She thinks she's a YouTuber as well. Yeah, she was a little bit ill, so I was a bit like, oh, should we go to swimming or not? But I think we'll definitely go because if I don't do anything, she's gonna have so much energy and it's just gonna be hell on earth at home. So I'll just have to make sure her hair's fully dry before we get in the car and things like that. But that's pretty much the plan for today. And then just get some ingredients to cook a nice dinner. I think that's pretty much everything that's on the agenda for today. Pretty normal day. Oh yeah, I got this new mug, which I think is just so adorable. I've had it for about a week now and I've been using it and I just think it's so cute. It just makes such a difference, I feel like, having nice pajamas and nice mugs, nice home stuff. Maybe I'm just getting really old. I am just getting really old because in my 20s I would not have cared about a nice mug to drink my coffee out of. But yeah, I suppose as you get older, there are things that you start to enjoy. I think if we make this swimming lesson this morning, it's going to be by some absolute miracle because Capri just didn't want to get dressed this morning. I have absolutely no idea what was going on. I feel like we just had time and then we ran out of time, which is just the story of my life. So I've quickly ordered a granola bar for her because we didn't even have time to have breakfast from Gale's, which I'm going to quickly pick up now and then hopefully we make it to swimming lessons. But anyway, I need to go and stop chatting so much. Yeah, and you're also sick, so I was kind of like, if we're running out of time, is there any point in even going? But you wanted to go, didn't you? She didn't want to go, she wanted to go. It was just a bit of a back and forth. So we're out of the house now. Let's just try and make it. Are you ready? After, yeah? Quick. Press hard, that's it? Yeah. Are you ready for swimming? Okay, so Capri slept for about 10 minutes. She fell asleep in the car on the way home from swimming. And then I put her in the bed. She was literally out cold and I thought, oh, she'll sleep for like 2 hours. And then about 10 minutes later she got up out of the bed and she's been full of energy. So I don't know where that energy's come from because she's not been very well. She's got a bit of a cold, and then obviously she put her swimming and she seemed exhausted. Like I said, when I took her out the car and put her in the bed, she was out cold. So we are just going, well, I was going to go out to Waitrose now and get food for the dinner, and then my partner was like, oh, let's go to Ikea because I want to get a little thing to hold the cutlery in the drawer. Daddy! Oh, Daddy! He looks really happy, doesn't he? Yeah. Anyway, so we're all off out now. I think we might go to Ikea, but let's just see because he doesn't like to come. Yeah, we need to clean it. Yeah, 2 will do. Big ones. Garlic. The vine one. Large. Too big? This one will do. No. Get 3 of these. 1, 2, 3 of them. That's the one I was looking for. Yeah, this one. 8. That looks perfect, doesn't it? But I think the measurements, yeah, it's just a little bit too big, that one. They've got white ones here as well. Would you like the wood? I like the wood. Looks nicer.
1, 2, 3.
And there's more sections in that one as well.
I don't think fork and knife in this little thing yet.
No, they don't. The forks and knife will go in this bit, and then the little spoons will go in there. Because you'll have knife, forks, big spoons.
But that's too much space. That's something like this. Good because you can.
Yeah, this is perfect, but it's too big. Maybe can we get just one, like a 1 section bit to put next to that one, to put the utensils in?
What was it?
Let's go, Mummy.
Go where? It's not a playground. You're having far too much fun. And give it to Daddy. He wants to measure the drawers. You're definitely sleeping after this, aren't you? Not that way. It's just very nostalgic for me being here because I used to come here all the time as a child. It's not really my style of furniture to be honest anymore, which is probably why I haven't been here in so many years. But I used to come with my mum and dad. Careful, baby.
Good morning. It's children's day.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
She wanted to talk, but yeah, it's just very nostalgic and she's having so much fun, and I remember having so much fun as a child coming to Ikea. So Daddy's taking about half an hour to decide on, I think it's back round that way. Do you want to find sofas? Okay. This one's making herself at home. Flowers, yeah. It's a nice pillow. You're making yourself at home there?
Detroit has ascended. Okay, 100 days early, okay? All we can say is it's the face of the band, okay?
Bring that back more.
Oh la la.
Tiene contámelo.
The amount of froth